In many parts of the world, lighter skin is considered to be more beautiful than darker skin. It's a beauty standard that's been around for hundreds of years. Lighter skin has been associated with power and privilege, and the beauty industry has been profiting, selling skin lightening creams and soaps which are popular across Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean. By 2027, the global market for skin lighteners is estimated to reach over $12 billion.
Individuals who have fairer skin are more acceptable when it comes to career or marriage.
Most experts agree that colorism bled into India's caste system, where darker skin has since become associated with Indians at the lowest levels of the social hierarchy who do manual labor. Asia is the biggest market for skin lightening products. The World Health Organization found that 40% of women they asked in China, India, and other Asian countries said they regularly use them. Some people go even further, receiving cosmetic procedures like chemical peels or laser treatment. In recent years, an antioxidant called glutathione is gaining popularity. While it's available to take orally, many consumers believe injecting the drug is faster and more effective for skin whitening, but this hasn't been scientifically proven.
If they have a medical condition, yes, I would do it. But if they just want to achieve a skin whitening, treatment, I would refuse to do that for them, because the safety and efficacy of the drug, glutathione, is not well established.
Glutathione is produced naturally in the human liver. In India, oral glutathione is approved for treating skin conditions and for skin whitening. But intravenous or intramuscular glutathione is only approved to treat medical conditions, like the side effects of chemotherapy. In the Philippines, almost 400 years of Spanish and then American colonial rule helped to reinforce a notion of beauty as white. And so today, glutathione is becoming a popular alternative to traditional lightening products.
May experience siya kasi napapansin ko, kasi nagkakaroon ako ng interaction sa mga client lagi na nilang sinasabi, gusto nilang ma-boost yung confidence nila.
Marjorie Taguiling owns a beauty salon in downtown Manila, which offers beauty services including glutathione drips for skin whitening.
Gusto mo, may interview sila, ganito. May pupuntahan sila, gusto nila lighter yung skin nila. So, talagang nakaka-affect yung lighten ng skin sa mga daily lives ng mga tao ngayon, sa mga Pilipino.
The country's Food and Drug Administration has warned against the use of injectable glutathione for skin whitening, flagging its toxic effects on the liver, kidneys, and nervous system. But many big medical groups and small beauty salons still provide it with a price tag of up to $120 per session.
Actually, aware naman tayo na ang glutathione talaga is hindi siya FDA approved. So parang nasa client yon is their own risk. Pero so far naman, yung mga gamit namin, personal use ko na rin before, tsaka limited lang yung gamit ko, hindi ako nag-a-add para safe pa rin. Nandun tayo sa safe side. Pag may pumupunta dito, nag-i-inquire, ina-assess ko muna. Tapos, konting interview, parang kwentuhan lang kami para makita ko yung medical background nila. Kasi hindi naman lahat pwede sa glutathione pag may mga sakit sa bato kasi mataas yung vitamin C natin, so hindi sila pwede doon. And chine-check ko kung may mga allergies sila sa gamot at sa pagkain. Siyempre, hindi ko sila ina-advisean mag-take ng gluta.
Some beauty salons or moonlighting nurses even offer injections at home. But glutathione drips can also be bought easily online, so some take it into their own hands following online tutorials.
So for tonight's video, I'm gonna show you how to inject yourself with glutathione.
I would say that is unacceptable, because sometimes if it is injected in the wrong manner or if it is injected in a huge dose, it can cause to severe allergic reactions. Sometimes there can be a casualty or an emergency.
People na nagdi-DIY, naawa ako. Kasi minsan may mga client pumupunta dito na minsan nasusunog yung skin nila. So dito, ginagamot namin. Minsan pumupunta rito, may dalang gamot. Ang inaas lang sa akin, ako yung mag-i-inject. Pero hindi ako pumapayag kasi hindi ko alam kung saan galing yung gamot. Ganon. So, ang daming ngayon, talagang parang nagtitake risk ng kung saan kukuha ng mga products basta kung ano lang ikagaganda nila.